It's going right now. Are you sure? Hi. My name's Christy. Honors. Invigorated with the GPA of chitlins and salsa. This is another origami video, but this time I have some mashed potatoes here. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. Poison control hotline. Yeah, okay. What you need to do is go to the third sewer tunnel from that block of bricks, eat the mushroom that pops up, and on your way there you need to collect as many gold coins as possible. Hello? No, I was just making a movie. No, that's alright. I can talk. It's ah-cha-cha, 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 ah-cha-cha. Pretty phonetic. Listening to sea monkey sizzling sex. I'd say that makes me the most intense. This person asked, what is a good non-alcoholic drink? As if there were such a thing. Oh man, there's not a whole lot of competition for the world's smartest person, let me tell you. Magic things happen when I make music. Do-do-do-do-do. FedEx, UPS, will be bringing them it. You could ship a baby. Yay. No? I suffer from hyperness. CEO Bill went up the hill to fetch a pail of prostitutes. One was a man, and so he ran, and the rest came tumbling after. This is what. Gotta have something to show the grandkids. I'm not gonna let them watch regular TV. What are they gonna learn the fucking alphabet? Fuck no. They're watching this shit. Okay, stop. I don't know. I don't have anything else to say. That's enough, dude. People are gonna send me their kids.